Now let's move to the question number second. Two chords AB and CD of length 5 centimeter, 11 centimeter respectively of a circle are parallel to each other and on the opposite side of its center. If the distance between AB and CD is 6 centimeter, find the radius of the circle. Okay. So with the help of this statement, first we will try to draw the diagram and then we will solve the question. Means we have to find out the radius of the circle in this question. So let's see what is the diagram according to this question. Okay, I have drawn. First we have a circle and two parallel chords, AB and CD. Okay, two parallel chords and both the chords are opposite side of the center. Means this is O center and one chord is this side and second is the another side. So the distance between both the chord is 6 centimeter. So I have representing with this, and R we have to find out radius. So I am considering ON. The distance of second smaller chord from the center is X centimeter. So the distance of the second chord from the center will be 6 minus X. See, look how total distance is 6 centimeter, and if this chord is X centimeter from the center, so the second one will be 6 minus X centimeter. And second thing, the complete length of the chord is 11 centimeter CD. So the half chord will be 11 by 2 centimeter. Same here, AB equal to 5 centimeter and half of it 5 upon 2. Why half of it? Because we are drawing the perpendicular from O to AB, ON. So you know the chord, the perpendicular drawn from the center on the chord will bisect the chord. Okay. So now we will use the Pythagoras theorem for both the circle. By Pythagoras theorem, in triangle OMD, which is OMD, okay, OD square plus OM square is equal to MD square. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square will be equal to base square plus altitude square. So what is the hypotenuse? That is R square. OM, distance from the center 6 minus X whole square, and MD, half of the chord 11 upon 2 whole square. Similarly, we will apply the Pythagoras theorem ONB. So OB square is equal to ON square plus NB square. So OB will be the R as it is the radius of circle. ON, that is X square, and plus NB, that is the half of the chord 5 upon 2. So at the right hand side, left hand side, R square here, R square here. Equation number 1 and 2 I am considering. On comparing both the equation, as their left hand side is equal, so I am comparing the equation first and 2. After simplification, I am getting the value of X is equal to 60 upon 12, that is 5 centimeter. Okay. One identity I am using here, 6 minus X, A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay. After a very small calculation, simple calculation, the value of X will be equal to 5 centimeter. Now we can put the value of X in any one of the equation. So I am putting in the equation number 2 in this one. Okay. So what will be the value of R? X square plus 5 upon 2 whole square. The value of X equal to 5. 25 plus 25 upon 4. After taking common, 25 into 5 upon 4. Removing the square, under root will be go to this side. So 5, 1 upon 2 root 5. Hence the radius of the circle 5 upon 2 root 5 centimeter. So this is very important question, very good question. This is the diagram and this is the solution of the question. And the question number 3rd. is homework to you. Okay, very similar, but in this question both the chords are lying. Same thing you will use concept as we have done in this question. Okay.